What communication really is. Most people think communication is about speaking clearly. It isn't. Communication is about creating shared understanding. You can explain something perfectly and still be completely misunderstood, because communication doesn't happen when you speak. It happens when the other person understands your message the way you intended. That is a huge difference. Mistake number 1, listening to reply. Think about your last conversation. Were you actually listening, or were you waiting for your turn to speak? Research shows that many people spend conversations preparing their response instead of paying attention. Real listening means becoming curious. Instead of asking, "What should I say next?" ask, "What is this person actually trying to tell me?" Sometimes the words aren't the real message. The emotion behind them is. Mistake number 2, assuming instead of asking. Our brains love shortcuts. When someone says something unclear, we immediately fill in the missing information. Unfortunately, our assumptions are often wrong. Instead of assuming, ask questions. Simple questions like, "What do you mean by that?" or "Can you explain a little more?" prevent countless misunderstandings. Curiosity is one of the strongest communication skills you can develop. Mistake number 3, reacting emotionally. Communication breaks down when emotions take control. When we feel attacked, our brain activates its defense system. We stop listening, we interrupt. We become focused on protecting ourselves instead of understanding. This is why emotionally intelligent people pause before responding. That short pause changes everything. Mistake number 4, ignoring nonverbal communication. Words are only part of communication. Your tone, your facial expression, your posture, even your silence all communicate something. You can say, "I'm fine," but your body might tell a completely different story. People trust nonverbal signals more than words whenever the two conflict. The power of validation. One of the most effective communication techniques is validation. Validation doesn't mean agreement. It means acknowledging another person's experience. Instead of saying, "You're overreacting," try saying, "I understand why you feel that way." People become more open to new ideas when they feel understood first. Understanding comes before influence. Ask better questions. Great communicators aren't the best speakers. They're the best question askers. Instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" try, "What was the most interesting part of your day?" Instead of, "What's wrong?" ask, "What's been on your mind lately?" Better questions create better conversations. Final thought, the goal of communication isn't to win. It isn't to prove you're right. It's to build understanding. Because every meaningful relationship, whether at work, with family, or with friends, depends on one skill: the ability to make another person feel heard. And sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. Simply listen. If you're interested in psychology, human behavior, and communication explained in simple ways, subscribe for more videos. Because the better you understand people, the better you'll understand yourself.